Yo! What's going on, champions? It's Marquise Money Mike Williams, and today I wanted to shoot a quick video. For those of you who are taking advantage of copy and paste trading, I want to show you how you can get past the misleading website error message that some of you have been getting when you click on your links to copy and paste your trade. Now, this is for iPhone users. I haven't discovered the hack to get past it on Android or the computer just yet, but pay close attention because some of you have been really excited about this opportunity. And when you get this message, it's just throwing you for a loop. And instead of paying attention to your money growing over the last days, weeks, months, however long you've been in, instead of paying attention to the other people who are changing their lives, you're going to Google and you're searching and you're reading all this malarkey and crazy information from conspiracy theorists and people who aren't even a part of the investment opportunity, and you're allowing yourself to be controlled and ran by fear. And that's not what you want to do, you guys. You don't want to panic. You want to relax and realize technology is going to technology. Things happen in business. Things happen in investments. And you don't want to make a long-term decision based on temporary emotion, which is fear. So check it. Here's what you want to do. So a lot of times you may get the link, whether you've already had the link for a while, you get it from somebody on your team, or you get it from Bond Chat. And when you click on the link, it pops up and it says suspected misleading website. Your first initial thought is, okay, well, after you panic, because of course you're going to panic when you see it, your first thought is to click ignore and proceed, right? And when that doesn't work, then you really start to go in a tailspin. But instead of going for a tailspin, this is what I want you to do. I want you to click on the URL at the bottom, if you're in Safari or you're in Chrome or whatever browser that you're in. And it's going to highlight the link. I need you to click it again at the end so that your cursor pops up and it's not highlighted anymore. And then at the very end, I want you to type iOS and then hit the enter key. And voila. You're back in the game. You're able to log in, you're able to paste your code, you're able to earn, and you're back to earning 1+% per day. Hey guys, this is a huge opportunity for you to make a dream become a reality. There's lots of opportunities in the world, and this is a huge opportunity to take AI, take crypto, put them together, have a baby, and it's called your goals and your dreams. So always remember, you're the best investment that you got, and you were born to win. So play to win right now because you are already a champion. Shout out to my big homie Carlton Lewis, and even bigger shout outs to the Vietnamese homie who he got the video from. Hey guys, let's go make your dreams become a reality. I'll see you at the top, and I will see you at the bank.